What is up guys, it's Shyman here, and today we're gonna talk about another budget mechanical keyboard. This is a first full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard, and this is the MOTOSPEED Inflictor CK104. It only costs 2,399 pesos, which I think is pretty cheap for an RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. A big thanks to Gigaware, Morningstar Marketing for sending me this keyboard for review and for your loving support. Morningstar sells the cheapest budget gaming PC techs in Lazada, so if you want to check them out, I'll leave the links in the description. First off, inside the box, the keyboard itself is wrapped in a foam bag, which I find better in terms of providing protection compared to plastic. I got the black and red model with RGB lights. They also come with black and silver and an all-black version. It's an anti-ghosting and full end key rollover, which means you can literally press every keys all at once, if for whatever reason you need to. My first impression is, it looks nice. The open board and floating keys design is great and is very easy to clean. I like how it almost low profile like design, and if you're buying a mechanical keyboard for the first time, this could be great for you since membrane keyboards are pretty low profile. It's quite light for a full-size keyboard, but it feels sturdy and very rigid. The brushed aluminum plate is definitely gorgeous, and it is very solid, so you won't be worrying about the durability issues. On the bottom, we have two rubber pads to prevent it from sliding, and the raised feet also have rubber pads. The keycaps are ABS double shot keycaps. There are two different plastics, so it will never fade. The cable is standard rubber and is fairly thick and about 1.8 meter long. I've been using Gigaware K28 mechanical keyboard since I got it. It has been my daily driver for about 5 months now, and I'm really enjoying it so far. I like the minimalistic look of it. MOTOSPEED CK104, on the other hand, is a full-size mechanical keyboard. It comes with a standard numpad, which is very useful if you're working with a lot of numbers. It is pretty compact, and there are no dedicated macro buttons or wrist rest that will take up that much space of your desk. Sadly, they didn't include a keycap puller. I think all manufacturers should include free keycap puller. If none, you can get one from Gigaware, and the links will be in the description. Moving on to the switches. The switches are clones of Cherry MX called Optimal switches. They're very similar to Cherry MX switches, but a tiny bit louder and heavier. However, my K28 keyboard, in my opinion, has the loudest blue switches I've tried. Gigaware also sent me these keycaps. They're PBT double shot glass coated keycaps. They're glossy and the quality is great, and the LED seems brighter with these keycaps on. So here's a quick sound test. The sound is really good. I like the tactile click and the switches are crisp. The clack is more crisp with the PBT keycaps. There are tons of modes and effects that you can play with. And here are the lighting effects. You can change almost all of the effects with FN and delete key. Speed is controlled with FN and the left and right arrow keys. Brightness is FN and the up and down arrow keys. You can also make your own lighting profile. After using this keyboard for a week, I could definitely say that I really enjoyed this keyboard. I like the RGB lighting, the typing experience was very nice, the build quality is very good, it is compact and really looks good on my desk. I checked the reviews and they're all positive, and I think this keyboard is amazing as well. If you want a great full-size mechanical keyboard with blue switches and with wide variety of programmable RGB effects, this is a great choice for you. For 2,399 pesos, this is, I think, one of the better options for a budget RGB mechanical keyboard. It is much cheaper than most other keyboards that offer the same kind of features. This is definitely a high recommendation. Thanks again to Gigaware for providing me this keyboard and for supporting our channel. And if you want to get one, I'll leave the links in the description. If you want to help and support our channel, you can use the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe just for fun. Till next time, God bless!